We create the Innovability world. PABLO AIR. There are inevitable problems in the mobility industry that have grown fast as it has developed. With PABLO AIR's technology, we break new ground in the mobility industry. New mobility world through PABLO AIR's innovation. Through the collaboration of 4 specialized departments, we provide smarter and more convenient solutions. Team Picasso is the PABLO AIR's R&D center, in charge of technology development for the innovative world. PABLO AIR Mobility Network is a smart traffic management system for integrated control of multiple heterogeneous mobilities. Its elastic and scalable system design enables the integration of different technologies and infrastructures for various cases. Its easy integration and flexibility can control multiple heterogeneous mobilities, and the scalable system fosters a new service. Team Picasso succeeds Pablo Picasso's originality and ceaseless challenge. Team Innovility is the logistics delivery business department. Its integrated drone delivery solutions and service ensure safe and convenient eco-friendly delivery beyond time and place constraints. For the first time, PABLO AIR presents the commercialization of drone delivery in Korea and introduces the optimal drone delivery system, establishing a drone logistics center. Integrated solution and service for drone delivery. It's time to meet PABLO AIR's technology. Starting from the USA and Southeast Asia, PABLO AIR is stepping forward to global service. Team Aero is the aviation business department of PABLO AIR, provides a traffic management platform, vertiport operations solution, and aircraft operator system as one integrated solution for safe and efficient operation of urban air mobility. Team DMix, the art show department, performs drone art shows and won a World Guinness record with swarm technology and self-developed pyro drone, capable of light and firework performance. And 2 years later, we broke the Guinness record with 511 fireworks drones. To expand PABLO AIR's original content, we are now merging drone, multimedia, and various performances into a show. We call it the DMix Show, including distribution of small, medium, and large drones applied with swarm drone technology. DMix leads the swarm drone market. We create the Innovability world, PABLO AIR.